Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the latest USB-C multi-port adapter from INTPW. They make really amazing USB-C hubs and Thunderbolt hubs, and this is one of their latest ones. You do get some warranty information and instruction manual in the box to show you how to use it. We're going to stick that back in the box and take a look at the hub itself. And here we go. Nice finish. As always, top quality materials from INTPW. It's nice aluminum case. And look at all the ports that you get there. You're going to get over here, you've got your PD pass-through charging. You've got a 4K HDMI port, another 4K HDMI port, a USB 2.0 port, and over here on the front you've got a display port out. You've got a Ethernet port. Then on the other side you've got a micro SD card slot, a standard SD card slot. You've got another USB 2.0 slot, and then you've got two USB 3.1 ports. You've got what I'm going to guess is a little LED indicator. And then up top you've got your USB-C connector. It's how you would connect it to your laptop or your computer, your Chromebook, etc. And then up here you've got your audio and audio out and in. So this is for headset, so it'll work with the headphones as well as the mic on a headset. So all these different ports that you get here in this nice little compact USB-C hub. You've got two USB 3.1s, you've got two USB 2.0s, you've got two HDMI ports, a display port, an Ethernet port, PD port with power delivery, and you've got your micro SD and standard SD card slot, and you've got your audio port. So that's everything that comes in the box for the latest INTPW USB-C hub. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up future product reviews, including a full demo review of this product as well. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.